Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's videos are all Paris themed in spring. So let's start with DIY number one. For this DIY, I'm going to use this sunglasses sign, and if I turn it back, it looks like butterfly to me. So I thought I would give like a nice pink shade to it. I mixed two pink shades and I got this beautiful tone that I wanted, and I gave like two coats to get like nice coverage. After it is dried, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to decorate this with the very famous French ribbon stickers. So I'm going to take some part of it, and I just got some with the carte postel. I don't know what it means, but it looks so beautiful, and I'm just going to rub on that. And I'm also going to take some part of the butterfly where it has the message, some French letters, and I'm sure it is having like beautiful meaning. It also looks gorgeous, so I just transferred that in the center of the butterfly just like that. And I also transferred some roses and two corners. And after that, I'm also going to give like a nice lavender color bow, and because lavender is also associated with French and Paris, so I thought like I should give a contrasting color. So I went with one polka dotted lavender bow and another pink satin bow and another lace lavender bow all together, and I just made like a cluster of it, and I attached one wooden bead in the center for the bow, and I also have like beautiful pearl garland, and I got it long time back. I don't know where I got it from, so I just attached it in one corner to give like a nice shabby chic look, and I also attached one brown heart in one corner to finish the look. How gorgeous this is. I'm just so happy with the end result of this butterfly, French butterfly. So I hope you would like it as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. This video would be part of Meet Me in Paris, and this is hosted by Brenda over Moners Market. I'm going to link her crafting channel in the description box, as well as the link of the playlist of all the amazing creators. So please watch all of her videos and give lots of love. Now let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this heart that I got during Valentine's time. I'm going to use the back part of it. So I gave like a thin coat of pink paint, and I let it dry. Now I'm going to use this tissue paper which has hearts all over it. Now I took generous amount of Mod Podge, and I spread it with the brush. Now I'm going to lay this tissue paper on top of this Mod Podge surface, and I'm gently rubbing with my fingers and to remove any air bubbles. After it is dried, I'm sanding it down with the sanding stone and to get like a nice clean edges. Now I have this heart garland from Valentine's time, so I just am sticking the heart garland all around the shape of the heart using hot glue. After it is dried, I'm using the same pink paint on top of the garland to just dull down the shine, and also want that beautiful pink. So I have this printout that I got from Graphics Fairy, and I just cut down all those images, those borders and those Paris letters, and using Mod Podge, I'm just sticking those two borders in the on the corners of the heart just like so. And I'm also going to stick all these letters separately using Mod Podge, and also the flower market just below it, and the beautiful design just below it, the curly design. So yeah, this is how it looks after it is all stuck. Now I'm sticking one of this cute bow which has beautiful sheer ribbons together, all pink shades, and also attached with one wood flower to finish the look. Isn't this gorgeous sign? I just love how it turned out. And I also gave like white chalk paint all over the board to actually give like a little distressed look, I believe. Yeah, this is another cute sign I'm very much happy with, and I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this also. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use this plastic container which has like lines, like stripes. So I'm going to use that to give like a stripes. So I'm just taking one bowl. It comes in a 3 in a pack. Now I just, rubbed it little bit with a sanding stone so the paint sticks well. So now I'm taking this pink chalk paint and I'm actually taking onto the borders on the top and the bottom. Now I'm also going to take like a straight down stripes wherever those lines are. I'm just alternating it and I'm going to fill it, and this is how it looks after the paint is filled alternately. Now I'm also stuffing with some of this styrofoam in the base, and I stuffed with a lot of pink and I thought it was lavender, but it turned out to be blue. But it also is adding glamour to all of this whole decor today. And I'm so happy with the end result. And this is actually I wanted to do from a long time. And this is beautiful pink and white stripes. It's shabby chic, I believe. And yeah, I'm very happy with the end result. I hope you would like it as well. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this pink picture frame that I got from Dollar Tree, and also those pearl string that I stuck on the borders. And this is one tissue paper which has lace background, and I just placed on top of the picture frame. And then I got this letter stickers from Dollar Tree which has Paris themed, and I filled pink paint into these letters. I think it means something related to love. And I stuck those stickers on top of the picture frame just like so. And I also have this wooden butterfly that I wanted to decorate with it, so I painted pink paint. And I also have this beautiful rose sticker. I just painted same pink color, and I also painted green for the leaves, and I stuck those to one corner of this picture frame using hot glue just like that. And I also am going to stick this butterfly, and also stuck one of this sticker that's from Dollar Tree, and I just stuck both two together, and I'm just attaching it to this picture frame in one corner to finish the look. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love how simple and easy and yet beautiful, and adding decor to all these pieces today. I'm so happy with the end look, you guys, so please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this makeup brush holder. It has got like beautiful roses all over it, and I wanted to give the same pink paint all over, and I let it dry. I think one coat was enough, and I let it dry. After it is dried, I just took one of this cotton lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, and using dab of a hot glue, I'm sticking all around the makeup brush holder just like that, and I'm also using some of this pearl garland and some of this cute ribbons. I'm actually making a cluster of all these together, and I'm sticking in one corner and using dab of a hot glue, and I'm also going to stick this beautiful pearl garland to give like a beautiful shabby chic look. And I created one of this paper roll rose from my previous project, and this is some of the leftovers from there, and I'm just sticking it on top of this bow just like that. And I stuck one of the candle in the jar, and I'm not sure if I can light the real candle. I think electric candle would be the best because this container is plastic. And yeah, this is another shabby chic look to all this French decor today. I love this pink roses decor. Roses are my favorite anyway, and I'm very happy with the end result, you guys. I hope you would like it as well. So let's move on to DIY number 6. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is beautiful French themed graphics that I got from graphicsfairy.com. And I'm using one of this pink tissue paper, and I'm using the back part of this frame, and I just stuck that pink tissue paper, and using the glue stick I'm just attaching the roses which I cut down the shape according to the picture. And I also stuck those French letters just below it, and I stuck one of this beautiful shabby chic bow in one corner to finish the look, and decorated with a lot of pearls. And I'm so happy with this pink background and those roses and the bow as an embellishment. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. And this is a bonus DIY. I used this project for last spring, and I wanted to use it to add Eiffel Tower. And what is a Paris project without having an Eiffel Tower, right? So I just added one of this Eiffel Tower sticker in the center and created a bow with this couple of mesh ribbon bows and some of this pink satin ribbon to create a cute bow on the top. And this finishes the look of this cute DIY, and I'm so happy with the Eiffel Tower decor. I hope you like it. And these are some of my Paris themed spring decor that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you like it, and some of them are my favorites in this today, and I'm very happy with the end result of each and every one today. I hope you would like it as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and you would like to give any suggestion. I would love to hear all of them. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I would be more than happy if you would click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please do not forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get any updates when I upload videos like this. And I'm very grateful and thankful to each and every one of you for the constant support you've been giving towards my channel. Thank you guys. I'm very grateful. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.